Welcome to a new era of production optimization with Analytic Solver, where complex business problems are solved with simple yet powerful solutions directly within Excel. Imagine streamlining your planning mill operations, selecting the ideal planners for any job and minimizing costs, all through the familiar interface of Excel. This is the transformative power of Analytic Solver. Equipped with state-of-the-art optimization engines like LPQP and GRG Nonlinear, and providing access to top-tier commercial solvers like Groby and Nitro, Analytic Solver simplifies previously complex tasks. Consider a planning mill that operates with 3 distinct planners, each with different speeds, operating costs, and capacities for wood thickness. Using Analytic Solver, we can develop a model to identify the optimal combination of planners that should be utilized within a 3-hour window to process a specific volume of wood at minimal cost. This model integrates constraints such as maximum operational time and wood thickness limits to ensure cost efficiency. The entire process is seamlessly integrated within Excel, allowing for real-time adjustments and immediate results. This flexibility ensures that the planning mill can adapt to fluctuating production demands without compromising cost efficiency. With Analytic Solver, you're not merely adopting a tool, you're revolutionizing the way you manage production. Embrace simplicity, efficiency, and innovation. Embrace Analytic Solver. Start today to transform your planning mill's operational strategy.